Hi traders, it's um, it's a Sunday morning here. My name's Bernie. I'm the creator of the original Strategy Tester Assistant, um, and I'd like to demonstrate how I use it regularly just to keep my head in the game. So what I'm going to do is pick a currency here. So we have the Euro Australia. I'm going to set up the chart to my liking, especially for the Strategy Tester Assistant. It works better on a black background. White doesn't work so well. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to green on black. And the chart, I like period separators. I don't like the grid. Don't like the ask line or that. So we'll go with that. Set that up. And then I think I will head over to the daily chart. And set up some lines. So, sorry, this will just take me a minute. So I wrote this strategy tester. I've been trading for about 6 years. I've been into it. I haven't had a lot of financial success trading, but I'm a very impulsive trader and a very emotional trader. But I really do enjoy trading, and I think it has great potential. But one thing I was looking for when I started trading is a good way to practice, and there just wasn't one. Some people say that's by design because the makers of this platform and other parties, banks included, really don't want you getting really good at trading because they like collecting your money. But I would have to say the reverse is true. I like taking money off the banks. So even though the game might be rigged a little bit in their favor, a smart trader can still make a good living. So this is how I might set up a chart to practice. So this is the Euro Australia. I'll go with a couple more. And we'll keep the MACD indicator on there just to show you that indicators can be used with the original Strategy Tester Assistant. So I would create a template that I like and then save that template. I already have Euro Australia, so I'll just save this template as Euro Australia, and then right to the strategy tester. So we have our Euro Australia all loaded up here. What you might want to do is go to the History Center and make sure you have all the most recent history data available, which I do. And then you're good to go. Okay. All right, pick a date. So today is February 2nd, 2017, and we will go to, or start at February 5th. Oh, it's February 5th. Start February 5th, 2016. Make sure you have visual mode on. I'm going to go with a 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's start her up. So like I said, I wrote this for myself because there just wasn't any good way to practice that I had found anyway when I started trading. I didn't know anything about programming at the time, but I found a great guy, Jim Dandy, on YouTube who taught me all I needed to know, and then I took his course Jim Dandy 1958, I think is his name. If you do a search for Jim Dandy on YouTube, you'll find him. And anyway, I learned to program MQL, so I wrote all this program myself and designed it so that I could practice. So get rid of that. This is not the template I wanted, so I will choose that template. So here is our original strategy tester assistant. I will go over a few of the features before I start actually trading with it. So you have the desired profit. You can set that in the settings of the strategy tester. That's just a percentage of balance. So I started off with $100 in my practice account here in the strategy tester. Here's a few different features. You have the per candle feature, which will stop the chart at the new candle if you want to slow things down and have a look. Then you just advance candle, one candle at a time if you so desire. There we go. I'll turn that off. You got different ways to close and open your trades. You got pending buy and sell lines that you can use. You got buy and sell. You got speed control, which you can turn off. And I usually go as slow as I can. Once it's yellow, I mean you can't get any slower. And you can speed it up to normal speed. So I find that on the higher charts, you don't really need speed control that often, but it is handy if you just want to stop things, basically stop things. But on the minute chart and the 5-minute chart, speed control is very useful. You got to delete all objects. I'll demonstrate that a few times later. You got a close all button. You can close all your trades. And you got a lot size selector. So I'll start, I only have $100 in my practice account, so I'll start with micro lots here. And then maybe if we'll go higher later. Anyway, you can select your lot sizes there. Okay, so looks like we're in an uptrend here, so let's just start trading. I will turn on my automatic take profit button. And away we go. Turn speed control off. There we go, got our first one. Our MACD tells us we're in an uptrend, so we'll just keep going. Keep going with the buys. Speed that up. More buys. Well, strong candle there. Sometimes I'll double down. I'll change my lot size here just so you can see. And I'll use the per candle feature. So I'll say buy, and then we have a 2 lot size. As you can see, placed our trade at the right lot size. I'll lower that now. Buy again. Oh, we hit that target. Hopefully we'll get back up. Yep. Let's keep going with the buys and turn off the per candle feature. Looks like they might be changing direction, although MACD says we got a good strong uptrend still. So I think I'll go back with a buy and another. I think it might head back up there before it goes down. So I'm not trying to advocate any particular trading style. What I'm trying to show you is that the original strategy tester that I designed can be used to practice your own style. You can see you can put different indicators on there. If you want to throw some Bollinger Bands on there, you could do that. Any of these default indicators from MT4 will work well. If you get into third-party indicators, some of them might slow down the process a little bit, depending on how good your computer is. Okay, looks like the downtrend has taken over here, so I think we better enter a few cells. I'm going to get rid of this Bollinger Band. So as you can see, we've got a few objects on here now. So you can hit the delete all objects just to clean up the chart, have a better view of what's going on. Up here you can see what's going, how many trades you got. See, I got 4 sells and 4 buys open, 8 open orders. Got 4 lots sell, 4 lots buy. I think I'm going to go with a few more sells here. Looks like we might have a little divergence on the MACD. They've come up and take their profits here. I think they might run down. Hopefully. Only got $116, so I might get stopped out here in this demo. Hopefully not. I'm taking more chances than I normally would in real trading, just for demonstration purposes. I think I'll turn off the desired profit too, as when it comes down, I think I might be able to take more profit than $1.50, seeing as it's taken quite a bit of time to get down there, and I've taken quite a hit on the risk side. We got a good trend, downtrend going, so I'll add another one on there. So now I got 7 lots sell and 4 lots buy. So it'll have to come down quite a ways to make some money here. Here we have our average daily profit listed for you here. This MA gap doesn't really mean anything. That's just how big the gap is between a couple of moving averages. I think the 60 period moving average and the 8 period moving average, what the gap is between that. I'll put a pending sell in. So when you hit a pending sell, it'll activate the per candle feature automatically, just so you can get your pending sell to the price you want. And then you can just start it up again. And if price gets down there, then your sell gets hit. So we're getting close to profit here. Right now I got $5 profit. So I'm willing to bet that it's going to come down and hit this target here. So I think I'm just going to hang in there. See if we can get some more profit out of it. What do we got now? $10, $13. Okay, let's not push our luck. So we'll close all the orders here. Take our profit. And as you can see, we can clean up our chart a bit and go with another sell. So this is the kind of thing I do whenever I have a minute, just to try and keep my head in the game. So I'm looking at the charts, because the more charts you see, the better you'll get at spotting trends and the way things move. Here, let's turn my automatic take profit back on. Still got a good downtrend going. Let's increase our lot size here. Yep. Looks like I might have guessed wrong. So basically that's it. Pretty much gone over everything with the strategy tester, and this is just one way you can use it. I mean, there's so many different ways to use this. There's many ways to use it as there are traders, I'm guessing. Let's sell again. Here, let's take a let's put a sell stop loss and take profit. So this is how you would use that. Again, once you use the stop loss and take profit, it'll invoke the per candle feature, just so you can get things to where you want to get them. So we'll put that there. We'll turn off the desired profit, and we'll move our take profit down to there. So each one of these can work as either one. If you don't want to have a stop loss, and just get that out of the way or delete it, and so this will turn into a take profit here. Or if you want, I mean, either one of these is just going to close all your sell trades. So you can use either one. So let's just go here. Hopefully it'll make it down here. Boom, there we go. Close the trade out. So I'll just keep trading a bit, doing different things. We still got a good downtrend, so it's pretty close to divergence, so they might want to reverse things. I'm going to put in a buy, just because I got a feeling they might go up. Sometimes in the middle of the week, as you can see, they change direction. If you look around here, right around Wednesday, well, here we are Thursday, there's a day of the week for you. Right around Wednesday, sometimes they just change directions. So watch for that. These are all kinds of things you sort of notice and learn to keep track of. The more charts you look at and the more times you practice, you learn different little things. Okay, so we got some up movement, so let's add another buy. And we'll turn on our automatic profit feature. Throw some more buys on there. So as you see, we got 4 buys for 8 lots, micro lots, 1 sell, and we can change our lot size down here. There we go. Our automatic take profit was hit. Take another buy. Okay, well, I think I'll just shut her down there. See if we can get one more take profit. So we've been trading, our average daily profit is about $4. You're trading for about a week there. This is counterproductive here. I'm throwing good money after bad, and I know that, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to enter a bunch of buys, try and close out this trade, or I might get stopped out. So as you can tell, this could be a very useful tool to new traders, or even seasoned traders, I suppose. Just to play around and keep your eyes on the charts, to try and improve your skills and your eyes, and your brain. Teach your brain to see the chart and to figure out what's going on. You can, if you're interested in this, I don't know if I showed you, you can go to zebforex.ca. That's my web page, and that I've created for the product, and there's some more information there. And at the bottom you can see a contact form. So if you're interested, you have a question, or you're interested in getting a copy of the strategy tester for yourself, just leave me your name and contact information. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So there we have it. I hope you enjoyed my little demo of the original Strategy Tester Assistant. Good trading to you. Have a great day.